Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Cork Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk. The more off-road focused version of the Grand Cherokee, the Trailhawk, features all the bells and whistles you would ever need. Tons of space. Of course, based on the same... I own an FCA product. My parents own one. You'd think I'd understand where to put the buttons by now, but no. I always forget. Alright. Slate blue pearl coat. Black over ruby red. Total price of $50,605. Not bad at all. Little Easter eggs hidden throughout. You got Jeep logos everywhere. Little mini Jeeps. Got the red tow hooks since 1941 in the headlight. Trailhawk embroidered up on the seat back. You also get nice paddle shifters. I believe this is the ZF 8-speed automatic. Yep. Not bad at all. Of course, this is the platform mate to the Dodge Durango, which is getting a nice little refresh in 2021. Whereas the Grand Cherokee's been getting some good refreshes throughout, so it doesn't really need too much. I'm going to be starting out in normal mode with Eco on, and then I'll move over to sport mode once we get to the back road section. And then I'll also experiment with the paddles a little bit too. Powered by the 3.6 Pentastar V6. Plenty of power, same motor that's found in your Durango. Of course, both the Durango and the Jeep Grand Cherokee for 2021 have the Hellcat V8 as an option. And then you also have the 5.7 that you can, I think, put in both of them. But the V8 versions are pretty rare. The V8 Grand Cherokees and the Durangos are pretty rare. I don't see a lot of them. And they sell right away too, so they don't really sit on lots too much. Now we'll bump it over into sport by pushing this button here. Steering is the same weight, maybe a touch heavier, but the big differences are transmission tuning and throttle response. I'll go ahead, bump it over into manual. That guy is standing up while driving. Props to him. Trying to think, I don't think these paddles are plastic. If they are, they have a very, very realistic metal feel to them. Alright, so it's pretty easy to hit Redline if you don't shift in time. Eight speed is fantastic. Wow, it is quick. Obviously not Trailhawk quick or 5.7 V8 quick, but it's not bad. I mean, when you put a great transmission in a car, it changes the whole experience. ZF makes some of the best transmissions on the market, and the 8-speed automatic is one of the best transmissions I've driven. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.